ஏமோ கத்திட்டே போகிறான். ஆனால் ஓட்ட மாட்டான். இருக்கா இல்லையா? நோ எக்ஸ்பிரஷன். And by this time we were just so tired. We are shifting to a new place and today we are going to pack. There are few things which we have to like dismantle and then reorganize it there. All the utensils and grocery things which are there in our house right now, we have to pack it, and our shoes, dress, cosmetics. I've got few things like vacuum, TV, and I think that's it. Then we'll go to that place tomorrow morning. Before that, we have to go and collect my license from the municipality here, and then I'll continue with the vlog. ஏமோ கத்திட்டே போகிறான். So I got my driving license. ஆனால் ஓட்ட மாட்டேன். So storage room and we started to get all the boxes for packing, and we don't know what we are going to do with the cycle. We might just keep it at some friend's place. We'll decide it later. எல்லா பாக்ஸஸும் இப்போ லிஃப்ட்டில் மேலே எடுத்துகிட்டு போயிட்டு we'll see. Here I was just showing you all the things which I had to pack, the dresses in the bags. So these are all the bags which I have, and I had already packed my dresses, sweaters, tops, summer tops, etc. into this suitcase which I'm showing right now, and I had few things yet to be packed, which are like these shirts, blazers, and my daily use clothes, and also all the bottoms which are on the right. So I decided to fill those inside this one, this suitcase, and all my daily use clothes inside this small one. And then I decided to put all the accessories and my Indian clothes in one of the cardboard box, and yeah, that's it. At the end of the day, we tried to pack almost everything, and we kept it inside these boxes as well as the suitcases. There were few things which were pending, but we decided to come back the next day and pack because we were so tired. We were able to load all the suitcases and few of the cardboard boxes and few miscellaneous items. So tonight we'll come back, and then tomorrow we'll again load the remaining stuff. And we have just started right now, and it's almost 12, and we'll be able to reach there around 1:40, I guess. Yeah, it takes 1 hour 40 minutes. So before 2 we'll be able to reach there, and I guess by that time I'll be hungry, and first we will eat something and then do the shifting process. Mukund has gone to check whether we have the trolley thing similar to the airport ones, so that we can transfer easily. But today is Saturday, so we don't know if the office is open or not. I can see Uber Eats. Somebody from Uber Eats going to deliver the parcel. Now I can order a lot of Indian food here, which was like a dream. The previous place where I used to live, there's no nearby restaurant where we can order Indian food. We have to go to some other part of the country to like have good Indian food. So but now here it's possible. Irka illaya? No expression. It's not available, so we have to do the labor work as well. Okay, I'll catch you. So here we ordered the lunch for us. So it was already 4:15 and we ordered a South Indian meal and pav bhaji and biryani, and also a bhel. I wasn't expecting it to be good, but it was so good. After eating lunch, we decided to click pictures of places where we can find some scratches or any marks, so that we can send it to the office and they can just have it, and when we leave this place we don't get the blame for doing that. So we did that, and next we unpacked few of the boxes and few suitcases, especially our clothes, and we took the suitcases again with us back to the old place. And by this time we were just so tired. So today we are shifting the second set of things. Yesterday night I was feeling kind of low because we were spending the last night here, and it was a very peaceful and calm place with a good scenic view from the window. And in the beginning I was feeling low here because of that reason, but now while leaving this place I feel this is much better. The chaotic and city life